Today I have something that is kind of my signature dish. I started making it because I had a lot of cherry tomatoes from my garden. It's going to be delicious. The olive oil and the garlic and tomatoes. Ooh, delicious. Oh yes, I love my garlic. Caramelize the garlic, broccoli. And you know, my husband came down and he goes, "What smells so good in here? Can I have some?" I said, "Sure." And I'm going to take a taste of the tomato. Only because I don't want to say goodbye with broccoli between my teeth. Ew. Wow, it's delicious. So, bring it to a party and have some fun. Hi, and welcome again to Annie's Echo and Annie's Kitchen. Today I have something that is kind of my signature dish, and I started making it because I had a lot of cherry tomatoes from my garden. So I used to think about ways to make it, and this is so good. You're gonna make it your recipe too. You can buy cherry tomatoes in the store and make it, and it's just so good. So before I tell you what you need, grab a cup of coffee. That's good too. Oh yeah. What I use is a lot of garlic. Oh yes, I love my garlic. And I'm going to caramelize my garlic. This is about 5 cloves of garlic. You can use less, you can use 1 or 2, but I kind of like the taste of garlic in this. And I also caramelize it in olive oil. And then I add my cherry tomatoes and my broccoli. This is beautiful, this broccoli. Isn't this beautiful? I like it. It's all tied up here. And I'm going to add this broccoli to it. It's going to be delicious. So, come on into my kitchen. Ooh, I love broccoli. And let's make a broccoli that I think might be your dish too. You're going to say, you know, this is really good. I'm going to make this all the time. And I do, because of the olive oil and the garlic and tomatoes. Ooh, delicious. So, let's make it together. Come on. Okay, we're going to put our garlic in the oven, in the toaster oven, with some olive oil. I'll spread some olive oil on there, and everything I use is organic. I buy organic whenever I can. So we're going to put that in the oven at 350, the little oven, until that becomes like crispy. And then we'll go to our next step. So this is how I like it. Caramelize the garlic. It's a little bit crispy. Now we're going to add our tomatoes to this. And I washed and dried my broccoli. And I think that's it. And we're going to put a little bit of oil on this. Sprinkle olive oil on that. And we're going to use adobo. If I can get this out. Here we go. Still, it doesn't want to come out. I don't know why. Not usually like this. Oh, it's just been difficult. All right, well, the spike. We'll add some spike to this, and I'll add a little adobo. I'll sprinkle it around when I get the... There it goes. All right, let's try it now. Watch the top come off. And we just want to spread that around. And we'll turn that around so that everything comes together, the garlic and the tomatoes. So while it's cooking, I'm going to do that. And we're going to pop that right in the oven for about, I don't want the broccoli to be, I want it to be a little bit crunchy. So maybe about 10 minutes, maybe less. And we'll come back and give it a try. And I'll show you what it looks like. So it's done. And you have the delicious broccoli, the tomatoes, garlic. And if you want, you can be fancy and add a little bit of Parmesan cheese to it. Sprinkle that on all around. And that is your dish. Then I'm going to have it with a piece of chicken. And that sounds really, really delicious. So you have all your vegetables in one. Your tomatoes, your broccoli, and it really, really looks delicious. I can't wait to try it. So did you make my signature dish? I hope so. You know, what happened is I kind of invented it because I had so many cherry tomatoes that I had to find ways to use it. And this is one way that I found that I love. And you know, my husband came down and he goes, "What smells so good in here? Can I have some?" I said, "Sure." So let's take a taste, okay? And I'm going to take a taste of the tomato. Only because I don't want to say goodbye with broccoli between my teeth. Ew! That wouldn't be too cool, would it? I don't think so. Wow. This, you can taste, wow, it's delicious. And my husband said, "Can I have more?" I'm like, "No, I need it for the show." So thanks for stopping in Nanny's Angle. Come again, we'll be cooking up a storm. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. For those of you who have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I like fashion. I like everything. I like talks. I'm a fitness instructor. I love to cook. I like crafts. So I like everything. But most of all, I like being with you. So thanks for stopping in. Have a real nice day. Bye-bye for now.